Uttar Pradesh is a vast land, a realm of endless horizons and boundless possibilities. It stretches across northern India, a significant part of the subcontinent's heartland. It holds many secrets within its heart, waiting to be discovered by those who seek. Its beauty unfolds slowly, like an old cherished story. You must be patient. You must look closely. The morning mist rises, revealing the land's hidden gems. Then, its wonders will reveal themselves to you. This land has layers, each more fascinating than the last. Each layer tells a part of its long history, a narrative woven through time. It is a place of deep significance, where every stone and tree has a story to tell. People often think of history when they hear its name, envisioning grand tales of yore. They think of ancient cities, where civilizations once thrived and left their mark. They think of powerful empires whose legacies still stand tall in the form of grand monuments. But there is so much more to discover here, beyond the well-trodden paths. Great rivers flow through its plains, nurturing the land and its people. The Ganga and Yamuna are lifelines, revered and respected, their waters sacred. Sacred forests whisper ancient tales, their trees standing as guardians of the past. Old stones stand as silent witnesses, having seen the rise and fall of empires. They have seen centuries pass, each moment adding to their silent stories. The air itself seems to carry echoes of the past, a whisper of times long gone. Uttar Pradesh awaits your arrival, ready to share its soul with those who seek to understand its essence. Come, explore, and be enchanted by the timeless beauty and profound history of this incredible land. Varanasi is an ancient city. Some say it is older than history itself. It is a city of light. It is a city of learning. The sacred river Ganga flows here. The Ganga is more than just water. It is a mother. It is a goddess. The ghats are long flights of steps. They lead down to the holy river. They are the soul of Varanasi. They connect the land to the water. Life and death meet openly on these ghats. Pilgrims come from all corners of India. They bathe in the morning sun. Their prayers rise like mist from the water. Boats drift slowly on the Ganga's surface. They carry people. They carry offerings. The sounds of bells and chants fill the air. Agra is a city with a rich past. It holds a jewel of unparalleled beauty, the Taj Mahal. It is often called a poem in white marble. It is a monument to eternal love. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built it. He built it for his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. She died young. His heart was broken. The Taj Mahal is his tribute to her memory. The white marble of the Taj Mahal changes color. It is magical to watch. It appears pink at dawn. It shines golden at noon. It looks pearly white under the soft moonlight. It reflects the colors of the sky. It seems to reflect the emotions of the heart. Far from the bustling cities, there is a different kind of beauty, Dudhwa National Park. It is a wild, untamed place. It lies near the border with Nepal. It is a haven for wildlife. It is home to majestic tigers. It is home to the rare one-horned rhinoceros. Many kinds of deer roam freely here. Birds fill the air with their songs. It is a precious ecosystem. The sal trees stand tall and proud in Dudhwa. Their leaves create a dense canopy. The grasslands stretch wide and open. These are called fantas. Rivers and streams wind their way through the park. They provide water for the animals. Section 5. Agra Fort, a fortress of Mughal might. Near the famous Taj Mahal stands another magnificent structure, Agra Fort. It is a mighty red sandstone fortress. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was the main residence of the Mughal emperors. For many generations they ruled their vast empire from here. It was a place of immense power and grandeur. Its walls are strong and imposing. They tell tales of battles and sieges. Inside the massive walls of Agra Fort, there are many buildings. There are beautiful palaces. There are grand audience halls. There are elegant mosques. Each building tells a story of emperors and their courts. Section 6. Fatehpur Sikri, the deserted city of dreams. Not far from the bustling city of Agra lies the enigmatic Fatehpur Sikri. This city, often shrouded in mystery and history, is a testament to the grandeur of the Mughal era. It is a fascinating place, drawing visitors from all over the world who come to marvel at its architectural splendor and historical significance. Fatehpur Sikri was a city built by the great Mughal Emperor Akbar one of the most illustrious rulers in Indian history. He envisioned it as his grand capital, a place where his dreams and ambitions could take physical form. Akbar's vision was to create a city that would be the epitome of Mughal architecture and culture. It was a magnificent city, full of splendid palaces and courtyards, each more intricate and beautiful than the last. The city was a blend of Persian, Indian, and Islamic architectural styles, making it a unique marvel. But despite its grandeur, it was abandoned after only a few years. The reasons for its abandonment are still debated, with theories ranging from water scarcity to political reasons. Now it stands as a ghost city, silent and evocative. The empty courtyards and deserted palaces tell a story of dreams unfulfilled and ambitions left incomplete. A dream that could not last, yet its remnants continue to inspire awe and wonder. The city, bathed in the golden hues of the setting sun, evokes a sense of melancholy and nostalgia. The red sandstone buildings of Fatehpur Sikri are still grand, standing tall as a testament to the architectural brilliance of the Mughal era. They have withstood the test of time, weathering the elements and standing as silent witnesses to the passage of centuries. You can see the Diwan-e-Am, the hall of public audience, where Emperor Akbar would address the common people and listen to their grievances. You can see the Diwan-e-Khas, the hall of private audience, where Akbar would meet with his courtiers and discuss matters of state in a more intimate setting. There is a great mosque, the Jama Masjid, which stands as a symbol of the city's spiritual significance. It is one of the largest mosques in India and a masterpiece of Mughal architecture. The tomb of Salim Chishti, a revered Sufi saint, is also here. Pilgrims and tourists alike visit this sacred site, seeking blessings and paying their respects to the saint who played a significant role in Akbar's life. Section 7. The Parijat Tree, a celestial bloom in Barabanki. In the district of Barabanki, there is a very special tree. It is called the Parijat tree. It is an ancient tree. It is considered very sacred by local people. Many legends are associated with it. People believe that this tree is not of this earth. They believe it came from heaven. It is a unique botanical wonder. It draws many visitors and devotees. It has a mystical aura. The Parijat tree is unique in its appearance and characteristics. Its branches do not break easily. Instead, they bend and twist. Some branches grow downwards. They touch the ground. Section 8. The unseen tapestry beyond the famous landmarks. Uttar Pradesh offers so much more than just its famous landmarks. While the Taj Mahal and Varanasi are well known, the true essence of this state lies in its lesser-known corners. Its true scenic beauty is woven into the very fabric of its daily life. The everyday activities of its people, the simplicity of their routines, and the harmony they share with nature paint a vivid picture of rural life. It is found in its vast agricultural fields. These fields are not just patches of land, they are the lifeblood of the region, sustaining families and communities for generations. It is present in its countless small villages. Each village has its own unique charm, with traditional houses that tell stories of the past and customs that have been preserved through time. It resides in the warmth and resilience of its people, the smiles of the villagers, their cooperative spirit, and their unwavering determination reflect the true spirit of Uttar Pradesh. These are the threads that make up the unseen tapestry of this diverse state. The interwoven lives, landscapes, and traditions create a rich and intricate pattern that is often overlooked. One must look beyond the guidebooks to find them. The hidden gems of Uttar Pradesh are waiting to be discovered by those willing to venture off the beaten path. The countryside of Uttar Pradesh is vast and often very green. The rolling fields and expansive landscapes offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Fields of sugarcane, wheat, and rice stretch to the horizon. These crops are not only vital to the local economy, but also add to the picturesque beauty of the region, especially after the monsoon rains. The rains rejuvenate the land, turning the fields into lush green carpets that glisten with water droplets. Rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, Gomti, and Saryu meander slowly through these plains. These rivers are the lifelines of the state, providing water for agriculture and daily life. They bring life to the land. The riverbanks are teeming with vibrant plant life, nourished by the flowing waters. Life in rural areas moves at a different pace. It is often simpler. The daily activities are deeply rooted in tradition, and the connection to the land is palpable. It is more connected to the rhythms of nature. The farmers work in harmony with the seasons, and the entire community is attuned to the natural cycles that govern their lives. As the sun sets over the rural landscape, the silhouettes of trees and fields create a tranquil scene, reminding us of the timeless beauty that lies beyond the famous landmarks. The laughter of children playing in the fields, the joy of simple pleasures, and the sense of community are the true treasures of Uttar Pradesh. Traditional festivals bring the villages to life, with vibrant cultural celebrations that showcase the rich heritage of the region. Local artisans continue to craft traditional items, preserving the skills and knowledge passed down through generations. Evening gatherings in the village are filled with stories and songs, a testament to the enduring spirit of community and togetherness. Under a starry night sky, the peaceful and serene atmosphere of rural Uttar Pradesh offers a glimpse into a world where time seems to stand still. Section 9. Your Next Horizon, a World of Wonders. We have journeyed together through some of Uttar Pradesh's scenic spots. We have seen its many wonders. We have walked along sacred rivers. We have stood before royal tombs. We have glimpsed wild forests. We have marveled at ancient mystical trees. Each place we visited has its own unique magic. Each place tells a part of India's long and complex story. I hope this journey has been enjoyable for you. The world is full of such remarkable places, places that inspire awe and wonder, places that tell the stories of humanity, places that connect us to something larger than ourselves. The spirit of exploration is deeply human. It is a desire to see,